Hello everyone. Today's our topic is thermodynamics of photosynthesis. All of you know that photosynthesis is the biosynthetic pathway in which CO2 and H2O bind with each other, and by consuming the sunlight it produces glucose molecules. Fine. And what is the thermodynamics of photosynthesis? Then I will tell you. Photosynthesis follow both the first and second law of thermodynamics. As you know that the first law of thermodynamics say that energy never create nor destroy, only it change their form. It means here I am talking about photosynthesis. Here, according to the first law, light energy convert into chemical energy or heat energy. Only they change their form, never destroy nor create. Okay, this is proof here. The first law of thermodynamics for photosynthesis. Now, second law. The second law of thermodynamics says that the amount of energy never convert into total work done. It means E never completely convert into W. Some amount of energy dissipated in the form of, this is not equal to, energy never equal to the work done. Fine. Some amount of energy dissipated in the form of heat. Here I will prove that how photosynthesis follow both the first and second law of thermodynamics. Now, all of you know that in photosynthesis 6 molecules of CO2 convert into 1 molecules of glucose. Fine. It means 6 carbon atom fix into glucose molecules. Fine. Now, 1 molecules of carbon require 8 quanta of light for fixation. It means 1 molecules of carbon require 8 quanta of light to fix. Then 6 molecules, glucose have 6 molecules of carbon. So 1 molecules of glucose require 8 into 6. It means 48 quanta of light. It means 1 molecule of glucose required 48 quanta of light. After consuming 48 quanta of light, CO2 convert into glucose molecules. Fine. If this quanta of light expressed in the form of kilocalorie, all of you know that kilocalorie is the unit of energy. Fine. Then here 1 quanta of light have 42 kilocalorie. 1 quanta of light have 42 kilocalorie. Then 48 quanta of light have 48 into 42 equal to kilocalorie. Fine. It means here of glucose require that much light energy, 2016 kilocalorie of light energy. Clear? Now, here 1 molecules of glucose have 680 kilocalorie. Then what is the efficiency of light energy to convert into chemical energy like glucose? Now we calculate. Here, at first, that much light energy convert into 1 molecules of glucose. It means glucose have 680 kilocalorie. It means that much energy convert into that much energy. Light energy convert into chemical energy. Fine. This is the first law. Energy transform their form. Change their form. Energy change their form. This is the first law. And second law, that much energy, this is a huge amount of energy, but this is only the 680. It means this much energy not completely convert into work done. Fine? The work of light energy is the formation of synthesis of glucose. So this much energy is not completely converted into work done. Some amount of energy dissipated in the form of other form of energy like heat. This is the second law. Clear? Now, what is the efficiency of light energy to convert into chemical energy? Now we calculate. Here, efficiency of light energy is equal to 680 by 2060 into 100 is equal to 34%. It means only 34% of light energy convert into chemical energy. Rest 66% dissipated in the form of heat. This is the second law of thermodynamics. Fine? So by that way, this follow both the first and second law of thermodynamics. I want to give you one more example. Now, photosynthesis is the two-step process, light reaction and dark reaction. At first, light energy convert into ATP plus NADPH2 in light reaction. Light reaction is the first step in which light energy radiation, sunlight, after consumption by chlorophyll molecules convert into assimilatory power. Combinedly, both of them known as assimilatory power. And in light reaction, 18 molecules of ATP and 12 molecules of NADPH2 form. And in dark reaction, by using these two molecules, CO2 convert into glucose molecules. All of you know that. This is very common thing. Right? Now, again by using this energy, CO2 converts 6 molecules of CO2, convert into 1 molecules of glucose. This is the C6H12 O6. The energy of that molecules is the 680 kilocalorie. Energy of that radiation energy is the 2016 kilocalorie. What is the energy of these two molecules? Now, we calculate. Here, ATP molecules, one molecules of ATP, one ATP molecules have 7.3 kilocalorie and one NADPH2 molecules have 52 kilocalorie. Fine. Now, here 18 molecules of ATP, then 18 into 7.3 and 12 NADPH2, it means 12 into 52 kilocalorie. What is the amount? This is around 624 kilocalorie and this is around 131.4 kilocalorie. After adding total amount, this plus this one is equal to 755 kilocalorie. It means assimilatory power have 755 kilocalorie amount of energy. Glucose final product is the glucose and that have only 680 kilocalorie. Fine. Here the amount sunlight radiation energy, the amount of energy here by sunlight is 2016 kilocalorie. This energy at first convert into this one and after that this one. The efficiency of sunlight to produce assimilatory power, if we calculate, then we find this one is the efficiency to produce assimilatory power is equal to 755 by 2016 into 100 is equal to 37%. This is almost 37%. Fine. It's almost 37%. Clear? Then here you can see that the second law of thermodynamics is follow. The amount, total amount, input amount and output amount is highly variable. The rest amount just dissipated in the form of heat. Then efficiency of light energy to convert into assimilatory power is 37% and efficiency of light energy to convert into glucose is the only 34%. 680 by 2016 into 100 is equal to 34%. Fine. Both the first phase and second phase of photosynthesis follow the both first and second law of thermodynamics. Now, one more thing. What is the efficiency of this assimilatory power to convert into glucose molecules? This chemical energy is converted into this one. Now, in next step, just I am proving that the second law and both the first and second law of thermodynamics followed by the photosynthesis. Now here, the amount of energy produced by assimilatory power is 755 and the amount of glucose molecules produced is the 680. Then what is the efficiency? Efficiency of assimilatory power to produce glucose is equal to 680 by 7 equal to almost, this is more than, this is approx 90%. Fine. It means the efficiency of assimilatory power is the chemical energy. Fine. The efficiency of that chemical energy converted into in the form of glucose is the 90%. Here also the 10% of energy dissipated in the form of heat. Same form of energy, both the assimilatory power and glucose. After then it follows the second law of thermodynamics. So photosynthesis follow both the first law and second law of thermodynamics. Light energy or radiation energy convert into chemical energy or heat energy. Clear? And second law, by the second law, not complete energy convert into work done. Some amount of energy dissipated in the form of heat. This is the second law. Thank you.